Hello everyone. Let's introduce MKE CVR-80B for you. Large capacity low speed refrigerated centrifuge. This machine adopts frequency conversion motor flexible shaft drive system, direct drive rotary head, smooth running, low vibration, low noise, imported compressor unit, double cycle refrigeration system, strong heat and cold exchange capacity, no environmental pollution, accurate temperature control. Next, look at the operation panel. The left is the real-time parameters, display speed, centrifugal time and temperature. Setting parameters are displayed on the upper right side. Adjustment is made by the buttons on the bottom. Setting parameters are in order: speed, centrifugal force, temperature, centrifugation time, acceleration, deceleration, rotor number, program number. Adjustment parameters. Press the down arrow and the speed number starts flashing. Increase or decrease the rotation speed by adding or subtracting the plus or minus sign. Press the down arrow again and the speed unit starts flashing. At this point, press the plus or minus sign. RPM is converted to centrifugal force. Press the up arrow to return to the number. Press the plus or minus sign to adjust. The temperature is also increased or decreased by plus or minus. Next is the centrifugation time. The length of time is also adjusted by pressing the plus or minus sign. Press the down arrow to the unit blinking. Press the plus or minus key again to switch between minutes and seconds and hours and minutes. Below is the acceleration and deceleration gears. The acceleration and deceleration are also adjusted by using the plus or minus keys. The smaller the number, the faster the acceleration or deceleration. Next, show you the machine inside. Pressing the door lock button opens the door cover. The upper part is equipped with an electronic self-priming door. Double hydraulic gas springs under the latch. Easy to operate. Rotor body with windshield. Reduced rotor running resistance. Extend the life cycle of the motor. Rotor adopts National Aviation Standard aluminum 7075T6. After forging in Class A deep flaw detection treatment after processing and molding, and through the static balance test and dynamic balance test, to make the rotor body more safe, reliable and stable. This machine is equipped with a horizontal rotor 6*2400 milliliters. Single cup can hold 4 bags of blood. Can meet the needs of the blood laboratory. Self-priming door lock with a gentle pull down and screen display is ready. Sensor lock reduces operator labor. Centrifuge use note. The rotor number must be the serial number corresponding to the configuration. Avoid damage to the motor by overspeed operation. Place the rotor capacity symmetrically. Clean the rotor and centrifuge chamber after centrifugation. Wipe the condensate with a dry and clean towel. Keep the chamber clean and tidy.